For 2006, I think yellow really fit this car. That being said, I think it's time to change the color. Gloss Plum Explosion. I think it's time to talk about this Gallardo. All right. Okay, the car burned down. We all know that. Black car got turned into the orange car, which eventually is going to be a fish tank. Fish tanks are really expensive. I thought they were going to cost $50,000. They're $200,000. You can't spend $200,000 on a fish tank. I don't have that kind of money. But one day I'll find a guy to build it for $50,000, and we're going to have a fish tank and a Gallardo. But for now, the orange Gallardo, it looks really pretty. It's on Las Vegas Boulevard on a beautiful display that we moved from the Link over to basically the Park MGM area. It's technically Fatburger, but it looks really nice. It's kind of like where I started. It's actually where I started, but it's just not the same anymore. This motor was in the fire Gallardo, and I didn't realize that when they sprayed all the fire retardant stuff all over the motor, it got inside the motor. I don't know why. It was just a crazy day. I didn't really think about all that stuff, and now I thought, man, let's put this car back together. I went and bought this yellow car from Kyle at CFI Designs, and I got a good deal on it. Totally happy. It didn't have a motor. Well, technically it has a motor. It's just one over there on a pallet. It's a stock engine. It's not a built engine. So I took the built engine down to an engine builder here, and I said, take it all apart, clean everything, put it all back together. So $7,500 later, I get a motor on a pallet, and I said, yep, it's ready to go. Andy and I put the motor in. We put the turbo kit on, we turn the motor on, seems to be okay, no issues. I send the car to Kyle at CFI and I say, hey, I want you to go through and actually change some stuff. I'll show you what he changed. Okay, let's put this over here. Get to that next. He added all these little nice clamps, some lines. He changed all of my vacuum hose to stainless steel, which looks so nice. I mean, the kit looks perfect. I have no more silicone. I have no more rubber clamps and little twisty things. Everything is beautiful. The turbos are all black now. He did this exhaust right here where he threw the wastegates through the middle. Unfortunately, this is gonna have to change because he built this exhaust just as a temporary until I got a Squadra Corsa rear bumper, and I feel like it's lost because I got that thing off eBay and hasn't shown up yet. So I might send them an email today now that we're talking about this. But this is a hybrid Dallas Performance / CFI kit now, which is great. It looks amazing. Actually, look at this. Kyle went above and beyond, and he actually engraved my little lion logo on the oil filter housing, which is so nice. I thought it was such a cool little touch, right? It always matters. But I don't know if you guys noticed, this car is yellow. And if you know me, if anybody knows me, I'm not a fan of yellow. I actually hate yellow. I think yellow is a really cool color for the generation that was this car, right? For 2006, I think yellow really fit this car. And I think it looks good. It's just not the color I want to have because I don't really feel it's a modern color. That being said, I think it's time to change the color. And I went with this purple because, well, yellow and purple go well. Obviously, the Los Angeles Lakers have a yellow and purple scheme. And I really don't want a LA Lakers car, but, you know, I thought let's wrap it all purple. So I picked this color here, that's why we do this. This is, and I said I wanted 1 yard sample. I thought 1 yard was gonna be like a little bit less than this, but I got a sample. This is Gloss Plum Explosion. It's a pretty cool name. We'll throw some royalty logos on there, get the lion on there. Maybe we'll do like a matte silver with the royalty lion. And I don't know, maybe we'll do a silver wheel, a black wheel. I haven't really yet decided. We're headed to the mall right now because I'm doing some wrap stuff at the mall behind the Gallardo that I have. And I think if we go there, I'm gonna talk to the wrap guys. Maybe we'll have this car wrapped while it's here on the lift. Well, we could take it off the lift, but while it's here in service, we're waiting for Dallas Performance, which is building me a brand new motor, 5 liter sleeved, cream of the crop, everything ready to go to make the 1500 horsepower I keep promising everybody through the 6-speed manual. That will be done probably in 2 weeks. I ordered that motor about 2 weeks ago, so it takes about 30 days to get that. And I think it'll be done in about 2 weeks. I mean, the holidays may push it a week, so maybe we'll get it in the middle of December. So let's say like right before Christmas. And I'll put this motor in for my Christmas present, I think, unless I decide that we need something else. Ideally, I would like to have like, I don't know, 4 cars, something like that, you know? Maybe a Japanese car, maybe a American car, got the Italian car, and then maybe like a really fun German car. Not sure. That's for a later conversation. Let's head to the mall, let's talk to the wrap guys, and let's make sure that we're all on the same page. Well, right here we take pictures. If you look right here, people get in the car and they sit here and they obviously take a picture. So this wasn't designed for this, all right? It wasn't designed to actually take pictures in originally. So when I put this beautiful array up here, our front desk was here. But there was so much disconnect between the front desk and then all the way down there that we were having some issues. So I moved the front desk to the center behind the TVs, and then this became like a picture area. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this picture much better. So we have a light box here, which is cool because this is nice and it's backlit. And then down here was actually cabinets. We put this like cover over it. And then over here we have this light box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this wood frame out and I'm gonna sheet this all the way through so that essentially we can have a one solid piece right here and it'll look and feel perfectly flat. And then we'll have like the image behind here. So that the image is a rendition of Las Vegas Strip with the sign and all of that stuff. It's gonna look really, really nice, and it's gonna improve the quality of the picture and obviously the number of pictures people would wanna do, because it becomes a more memorable picture, right? So it's gonna look much better. Blue Lamborghini on the Las Vegas Strip, it's gonna look better. So take a look around the store. Mario, show them all the new stuff that we have, and let me talk to these guys. Well, at least we get a couple things accomplished today, because I think that the winter slows everybody down, but great deals to be had. I've got a pretty good special on the wrap, so we're gonna meet the guy over at my office so he can talk about doing the wrap. I've got to go and buy the wrap roll, or the roll of wrap material, and I think he's gonna start today. So on the way over there, I wanna stop at this body shop because they have my Lotus, and I'm getting my 3 shades of orange fixed. Because, man, look, realistically, I love to change stuff. And it's really just me. It's my problem. It's me. I have a serious problem. I've realized that I am a hoarder. And
yeah, you are.
I don't like any of my things. So I just keep changing them all, but I keep everything. So the 3 shades of orange is because I've changed the body panels on the Lotus, and I've had them independently painted. So I've upgraded to a different front end, I've changed the roof, I've changed all the stuff, and well, now we have 3 shades of orange. So they're fixing that. I'm gonna check on that, and then we'll go to the office. Oh, we have to get the roll of wrap, and we'll get back there.